Have you ever pondered whether GPUs could be the new gold rush? This question shouldn't be dismissed lightly. We currently inhabit a world that is heavily influenced by technology, and the humble GPU, or graphics processing unit, resides at the epicenter of this technological revolution. This term might sound a bit technical, but in reality, it's the magic stick that animates our digital world. Now you might wonder why we're drawing parallels between GPUs and the gold rush. Just as the prospectors of the 19th century who flocked to the American West in pursuit of gold, today, we're witnessing a similar craze surrounding GPUs. The chance for substantial profits is immense, and much like the historic gold rush, it's not just about what you discover, it's about what those discoveries could potentially unfold. Let's pause for a moment and dissect what's fueling this GPU gold rush. The explanation can be found in another complex term: semiconductors. These tiny components are the foundation of GPUs and are currently indispensable in our world. Every time you swipe on your smartphone or when your smart fridge decides it's time for a milk run, it's the semiconductors diligently working behind the scenes, making it all happen. Therefore, the growing significance and value of GPUs in today's era are inherently associated with the role of semiconductors. These silent warriors of our tech-led lives are necessary to understand to fully appreciate the potential GPU gold rush. But comprehension is just the beginning. Participation is equally important. Similar to how there were diverse routes to participate in the original gold rush, there are multiple ways to get involved in this contemporary rush for GPUs. Don't fret, we're here to guide you through it. In our To Unravel the Complex World of Semiconductors, we might uncover the answers we're seeking. So get prepared, folks, because in our next video we'll be journeying into the realm of semiconductor stocks, their peaks and troughs, and how you can successfully traverse this thrilling territory. But what exactly is a semiconductor, and why does it matter so much? A semiconductor, in the simplest terms, is a type of material that falls between a conductor and an insulator. While conductors easily allow electricity to pass through and insulators block its path, semiconductors strike a balance. They can either conduct or insulate, depending on certain conditions. This unique trait is what makes semiconductors the heart and soul of modern electronics. Picture this. Every device you use, from your smartphone to your smart fridge, from your electric car to your gaming console, is powered by semiconductors. They are the tiny yet mighty components that form the backbone of the digital world. They process data, store information, and power your devices, making them smarter, faster, and more efficient. But why are semiconductors so important? Well, their significance extends beyond our personal gadgets. Semiconductors are critical in the realms of communication, healthcare, transportation, and even national defense. They are the driving force behind the technological revolution and the digital economy. Moreover, semiconductors are at the forefront of the artificial intelligence boom. The demand for powerful and efficient GPUs, or graphics processing units, is skyrocketing, given their ability to handle complex computations required for machine learning and AI. So the semiconductor isn't just a component, it's a key player in the world's technological advancement and economic growth. Understanding the importance of semiconductors is key to understanding the potential of the GPU gold rush. So how do we track this potential gold rush, you might ask? Well, one useful tool at our disposal is the PHLX Semiconductor Index, fondly known as the SOX Index. Established as the oldest of its kind, the SOX Index keeps its finger on the pulse of the top 30 semiconductor stocks. Remember, semiconductors are the heart of our digital world, fueling everything from your smartphone to self-driving cars. And this index gives us a snapshot of how that heart is beating. By tracking the SOX, we get a bird's-eye view of the industry's overall performance. It's like having a compass in the vast landscape of technology stocks. Whether it's pointing towards a gold rush or a downturn, it's a vital tool for any investor interested in tech. So keep your eyes on the SOX Index. It's a reliable compass in the world of semiconductors. But there's much more to the story. The semiconductor market isn't just for tech geeks. With the right knowledge, anyone can participate in this exciting industry. In our upcoming content, we'll be diving deep into the world of semiconductor indexes, revealing top stocks, and even unearthing potential underdogs. And let's not forget about the future, where artificial intelligence is set to supercharge the demand for these tiny tech titans. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed. The AI explosion is creating a huge demand for semiconductor chips, and you don't want to miss out on the next big thing.